The 200 years between 14 and 1600 have become known as the Age of Exploration. This was the time that led to new discoveries. Adventurers and explorers from Europe were searching for new trade routes, but their searches also led to the discovery of new lands and whole new continents. It was often luxury goods like silks and spices that were at the root of exploration. They were brought from inaccessible places, carried for thousands of miles over difficult and dangerous terrain, much of it along a route which became known as the Silk Road. Since traders couldn't get there easily themselves, they were forced to do business with middlemen. When prices began to spiral, many countries began to seek new ways into Asia and the Spice Islands by sea. Portugal was among the first to commission these voyages. Prince Henry the Navigator was the driving force behind Portuguese navigation. Over time, many Portuguese explorers were able to venture further and further around the coast of Africa. In 1497, Vasco da Gama was the first to sail around the Cape of Good Hope to reach India. At the same time, these expeditions helped create new maps and to spread Christianity. But other explorers, like Christopher Columbus, had the idea that Asia could be reached by traveling west across the Atlantic Ocean. By the mid-1400s, most educated Europeans did know that the Earth was a sphere. In 1492, sponsored by Spain, Columbus tried out his theory. He assumed he would be circumnavigating the globe. The European exploration and colonization of the Americas had begun. For many, the search for riches became the focus. 5 years after Columbus, John Cabot sailed west from England, searching for a northwest passage to Asia. When he reached land in 1497, he believed he had found a part of Asia. In fact, he had landed in what is now Canada. He explored the fishing grounds and land near Newfoundland and Labrador, and he claimed this land for England. Ponce de Leon of Spain wanted to find the Fountain of Youth, a legendary spring that was said to restore the youth of anyone who drank from it, and which was thought to be somewhere in this new world. In fact, he never did find it, but Ponce de Leon is remembered for setting up a colony on the island of Puerto Rico. And also, in 1513, for becoming the first European to set foot in what is now Florida, which he claimed for the Spanish crown.